Good day, everyone. Today I stand in favor of the idea that every citizen should be mandated to perform national public service. National public service means contributing time and effort to help the country and the community. This may include community cleanup drives, disaster response, environmental programs, health assistance, or helping the public institution. Many people today focus only on personal success, while some communities continue to struggle with poverty, disasters, pollution, and lack of support. Because of this, I believe every citizen should share the responsibility of serving the nation. Mandating public service can help build discipline, unity, responsibility, and concern for others. It reminds us that being a citizen is not only about enjoying rights, but also fulfilling duties. First, national public service helps develop discipline and responsibility. When citizens participate in organized public service, they learn the value of time, teamwork, and commitment. People become more aware that their actions affect the community around them. For example, participating in environmental cleanup programs teaches citizens to care for public spaces instead of depending only on the government. Helping during disaster operations also teaches compassion and quick response during emergencies. These experiences shape people into more responsible citizens who are willing to help others, not only themselves. Second, national public service promotes unity and patriotism. People from different backgrounds, ages, and social classes work together for one purpose, helping the country. This creates stronger relationship and understanding among citizens. Instead of being divided by differences, people learn to cooperate and respect. Public service also strengthens love for the country. Citizens appreciate the sacrifices made by workers, volunteers, health professionals, and responders. They become more active in improving society rather than simply complaining about problems. A nation becomes stronger when its citizens actively participate in nation building. Lastly, mandatory public service provides direct benefits to the community. Many countries experience disaster, poverty, overcrowding, and environmental problems. Public services creates additional manpower that can support communities in times of need. Volunteers can assist in relief operations, tree planting, health programs, tutoring children, and helping senior citizens. Even small acts of service can create big changes when millions of citizens participate. Through national public service, people become part of the solution instead of remaining passive observers. In conclusion, every citizen should be mandated to perform national public service because it develops discipline, promotes unity, and helps communities become stronger. Public service teaches people that citizenship is not only about receiving benefits from the country, but also about giving it back. If every citizen contributes even a small amount of time and effort, the nation can become more united, responsible, and prepared for future challenges. Thank you.